Question 7. So given that matrix A is 2, 1, 3, 0, matrix B is -1, x, 0, 2, and matrix C is 7, -1, 6, 0. So find C to the power T. So this T, it means transpose. So we have the transpose of matrix C. So find the transpose of matrix C. So we have been given the original matrix of C. So the original matrix is 7, -1, 6, 0. So of which, how do we obtain the transpose of a matrix? So we can obtain the transpose of a matrix by changing the row becomes a column, or a column becomes a row. That is how we can obtain the transpose. Let's give an example. I have this matrix. So when I've been asked to find the transpose of this matrix, I'll just change this row, it becomes a column. Now A, it is called a pivot. So a pivot, it will not move. A pivot will not move. So that simply means that this row, it will become a column. So it will be A, B. Then this row again, it will become a column. E to the E, F. So that is how we can find the transpose of a matrix. So this is a transpose of this matrix. That's how we can change. So we are going to do the same with this matrix. So we have a pivot which is 7. So 7 is the pivot. So we can change C transpose is equal to the row, it becomes a column. The row, it becomes a column. So this is the transpose. Part B, find X for which AB is equal to C. So this simply means you need to multiply matrix A times matrix B. The result is matrix C. So we are going to arrange according to the order that we have been given. So let's start with matrix A, which is 2, 1, 3, 0, times matrix B, -1, x, 0, 2, equals matrix C, 7, -1, 6, 0. So now how do we multiply? So now we multiply the row of this matrix times the column of this matrix. So when we multiply this row times this column, we are going to have 7. That is the result. The result is 7. When we multiply this row times this column, we are going to have the result 6. When we multiply this row times this column is equal to -1. This row times this column is equal to 0. So now we are interested in x. So this simply means that we are not going to waste time to multiply this times this so that we can have that, this times this so that we have that. We are not going to waste that time. So we are just interested in x. So that simply means we'll multiply this row times this column so that we have 7. So 2 times -1, that's -2, plus 3 times x, that is 3x. The result is 7. When you multiply 2 times 0, you're going to have 0, plus 3 times 2, you're going to have 6. The result is 6. So 0 plus 6, it is 6 is equal to 6. So now in this case, we are just interested in x. So we will not go that far. Our interest is in x. So row times column, the result is 7. So now we have a linear equation. So in this case, we are going to correct the like terms. So -2 and +7, they are like terms. So -2 will shift this side. Since it is crossing the equal sign, the sign will change from -2 to +2. So we'll remain with 3x equals 7 plus 2. So 3x equals 7 plus 2, it is 9. So we divide throughout with 3. So 3 into 3, it is x. Therefore, x is equal to 3 into 9, that is 3. So the value for x is 3. So my names are Angel Chanda. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Mr. Rafa. Mr. Rafa Online Tuitions. Mr. Rafa Online Tuitions.